Hello everyone, welcome to our factory. Today, we will show you the complete assembly process of our A6VM107HD2/63W-VZB010B hydraulic motor. Before assembly, let's take a look at all the precision components prepared for this unit. Here you can see the complete set of parts, including the housing, cylinder block, piston assembly, valve plate, shaft, bearings, seals, control valve, and other internal components. We provide a wide range of hydraulic motors and pumps, with many models available in stock for fast delivery. This model is a A6VM107HD2/63W-VZB010B from the A6VM series 63 variable axial piston motor family. It features a 107 cubic centimeters displacement and an HD2 hydraulic control valve, providing precise control, high torque output, excellent efficiency, and reliable performance. Before assembly, every component is carefully inspected to ensure accuracy and quality. Now, let's move on to the assembly process of the A6VM107HD2/63W-VZB010B hydraulic motor. During assembly, all components are carefully installed according to professional procedures and strict quality requirements. Our technicians carefully check the condition and position of each part to ensure accurate assembly and reliable operation. The assembly process requires high precision, because every component inside the hydraulic motor plays an important role in performance, efficiency, and service life. During the process, we focus on component matching, installation accuracy, sealing performance, and overall assembly quality. Each step is completed by experienced technicians with professional tools and equipment. After the main components are assembled, we perform detailed inspections to ensure that all parts are correctly installed and the motor can operate smoothly. Through precise assembly and strict quality control, we ensure that every A6VM107HD2 hydraulic motor meets our performance standards. Next, let's look at the precision machining and finishing process. Some components require fine grinding and surface treatment to improve accuracy and surface quality. Precision machining ensures proper component matching, stable operation, and reliable performance. Through professional processing and strict quality control, every component meets our quality requirements. Here is the completed A6VM107HD2/63W-VZB010B hydraulic motor. After assembly, we perform a final appearance inspection. You can see the finished product with a clear nameplate and model information. Each unit is carefully identified to ensure correct model matching and product traceability. A high-quality hydraulic motor requires not only precision components but also professional assembly technology and strict quality control. With reliable performance and excellent durability, our hydraulic products provide dependable solutions for customers worldwide. The final step is performance testing. Before shipment, every hydraulic motor is inspected and tested to ensure stable operation, pressure performance, and reliability. From component preparation, precision assembly, machining, to final testing, every step is carefully controlled by our experienced team. This process ensures consistent quality and long service life for every product we deliver. Thank you for watching. For A6VM series hydraulic motors, piston pumps, and hydraulic solutions, please contact us.